going on, guys? It's your boy, YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. Today, we are back at it with another budget build Civic video, and today, the target is the wing. Okay, so I got a wing, and I'm gonna install it today. So, let's get to work, baby. First though, let's just admire this coffee. Half espresso, half coffee. I mean, this joint is gonna make me poop, 100%. Alrighty guys, so here's the box. So, in 3, 2, 1, it's going to be unwrapped. Yes sir. So I got this style of wing. Looks pretty mint, and it'll look a lot cooler than the one that's on it, honestly. So let's get to popping that off, and then we can throw this bad boy on. It is plastic. It's not an OEM type R1. You know your boy. He's broke and on a budget. So let's install this quickly. It shouldn't be too hard. So I literally just popped out this piece right over here, and it looks like 10 mil there, 10 mil there, 10 mil in there, and in there, and then it should pop off. Alright guys, so the wing is off. Hella dirty, but let me know, should I rock it no wing? Low key looks like an egg right now. So let's clean this up quickly, tape this out of the way. Won't be needing that anymore, and then yeah, just make sure that it's all clean before I install the new wing. Before, after. Alright guys, so this is the wing on it now. Look how fresh that looks. Damn. So yeah, I was having some troubles with whenever I would pull it up. It was whenever the trunk would go up, it was touching this. So I guess the issue was this. I was tucking it up in there. Instead, I guess you have to tuck it somewhere else or just cut it off in general. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And yeah, so I already started cleaning in between the gaps over here. And yeah, once again, that thing's fire. Super stoked. Super stoked. Yeah. Need to fix that. How I feel. Always get free, always get free. Better. The 17-year-old boomer is back from school. Let's get his opinion on it.
What's going on?
Put the spoiler on, man.
Yeah?
What are your thoughts?
Oh.
Nice fit, man.
Thank you, man.
Risen some chicks up with that, or?
Okay.
What are your thoughts on it, man?
Looks decent.
Looks decent?
Oh, no.
You wish you had one?
Pretty mint.
Pretty aggressive, hey?
Yeah.
Fucking sick, man.
Yeah, I like it.
Me too.
It's bad it's on a shitty car, but...
Really?
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's the next week actually, not the next day. I have truly been lacking, but just trying to get done with school and all of that. I only have 2 more tests. So the second part of this video is I am going to be putting on different mirrors on the budget Civic build. So we got this, the wing, looks fire. Super stoked about that. But now I'm going to be installing some mirrors that you can get on Amazon. So first, let's uninstall these and then we can put the new mirrors on. Let's go, boys. Alright, so it's quite easy to actually do it. It's only 3 bolts, one right there, one right there, and one right there. You just pop this little trim piece off over here as well, and then you got it off. So maybe I should just no mirrors. This will be like a low-key DJ no way build. Shave everything. Next thing I gotta do, get rid of the wiper blades as well. But yeah, I'm going to get the other mirror and show you guys now. Alright guys, so I got the new mirror on, and I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. I think it might be because it's carbon fibre, but this is the aftermarket one that I got, and I'll put a photo of it. It's just from Amazon, and I think it was like 80 bucks, so they're super cheap, and delivered for 80 bucks as well. And this is the stock one, so put in the comment section if you guys like the fake carbon fibre one, or if the stock one is better. But yeah, so what I'm going to show you guys now is how I put it on. There is a little bit of a gasket on the OEM mirror that I decided that I would fit up on this aftermarket one, because I don't want wind coming in the car, but you do have to cut it up a bit. So let's get to putting on the next mirror, and then we can make a conclusion on how I feel about the new mirrors. Peep the coffee, boys, and let's get to work. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about earlier. The stock mirror has this rubber piece. If you can see, it comes out easily, and the aftermarket one, made in Taiwan, does not. So what you got to do is take this off first. So I'm going to take it off quickly. So see, when you put this on, just as a quick little layover, it does not seal properly. So all you have to do is just trim it a little bit. It is pretty soft rubber, so what I'm using, just some clippers, the rusty clippers, and yeah, so I'm gonna trim it up, and then I'm gonna throw this mirror on the car, and then we can have a better look at it. Look at this, everyone, all trimmed up. As you guys saw before, there was a huge gap. Now she fits mint, and I'm able to throw this mirror on the car. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, on both sides we have the mirrors. So I think they look pretty fire with the pairing of the wing. So we're making progress slowly on the Buget Civic series. I just want to say thank you guys for the support on one of the videos I hadn't posted for like 2 months. Still got some viewers, still got people checking in on the kid. And if you guys like this style of content, make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, we might be doing a little bit of body work, because the fender, I think I've explained this, but yeah, it might look decent on camera, but it's trash. And also, I want to paint these trims. There's a lot of interior parts that's going to change as well. Also lowering it and turboing it, but we're making progress slowly. So thank you guys so much for watching. And it's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and I'm signing off. Peace.